Welcome, honeys, to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on every social media at Alora Kazoo. So you're going to take your lace frontal, you're going to take your lace wig, your closure, whatever has lace on there and whatever has glue on there. You're going to turn it inside out, just like this. And as you can see, the clumps of glue that's on the hairline, you're just going to take your fingers and you're going to roll that glue right off. Roll the chunks right off. This is very important to roll the chunks off, because if you just take your alcohol and a rag and try to wipe it off, the process is going to be so much longer. So please just roll the glue off with your fingers. Roll the glue off just like that. The chunks, as you can see, the chunks will come off of the unit very easily. Just roll the chunks of glue downwards. Roll it down from ear to ear with a close. It don't matter. This is what you do. Roll it down. After you finish getting the clumps out, your lace should look something like this. As you can see, it's no glue chunks on the lace. Then you're going to take your 91% alcohol. 91%. I cannot stress this enough. 91%. Not 50, not 70, not 71. 91%, please. Then you're going to take a rag, you guys, not tissue, not paper towel, not a shirt, a rag. A rag, a rag, a rag, a rag, a rag, a rag. Soak the alcohol in the rag, please. Soak it in the rag, not on your lace frontal, on the rag. Soak the rag, and then you're going to scrub, wipe, scratch, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to get all of that excess glue off of the top. This is all the excess glue that's under the chunks that you already rolled off, making it easier. And when you're finished, your lace should look something like this. It is still light under it because I use makeup and I did not wash my unit yet. But this is how clear and clean your lace should look. Once you wash it, everything is going to fall into place. Simple, not rocket science.